I created some questionable fan art for popular companies and delivered it to their employees.
Can I give you something? I'm making a YouTube video.
All right.
And I drew fan art for Subway.
What the hell?
But you guys will be seeing later how they reacted. Now let's start this off by creating our first fan art, which is for Subway, of course. We all know them, they're legendary, so it was just a matter of time I would do this one. Now, it was quite obvious I would draw something sandwich related for them, so it was very fitting that I happened to stumble on this beautiful picture in Pinterest, and I just knew that this was the one. So this was the inspiration for this, but I didn't want to just straight up copy the idea and leave it there. I wanted to turn this sandwich kitty into a Subway employee to maximize the weirdness, because that is what we do on this channel. We love to confuse people and cause some chaos. Do you guys also get a bit overwhelmed whenever you order in Subway? Like the employees ask you like 47 questions regarding your sandwich order before you even like have time to process which bread you want to choose. But real ones always choose honey oat though. Try to prove me wrong. If you're brave enough, of course. And is it a universal experience that the Subway order you chose as a kid is the one that you just stick with for the rest of your life? Because that is at least what I've been doing. But I want to know, is it just me or are the rest of you also weird? And chicken teriyaki is my beloved order of choice, by the way. Tell me yours so we can all bond over sandwiches in the comments. And I did not forget to include the famous Subway cookies on this fan art, because those things are just chef's kiss. Like a perfect way to finish a meal after shoving a foot-long sandwich down your throat. Alright, kitty sandwich is looking gorgeous. I would totally order this. Now, let's make our next one. Alright, this next brand is Bauhaus, and I know like 90% of you are like, okay, what the hell is this brand and fan art? But just let me explain. So this is like a construction slash hardware store, and it's like a giant warehouse basically. And this is where all the middle-aged dads go to hang out on their day off from work. But otherwise, you don't really go in here unless you're doing some weird DIY project that you need screws for, or you need some random plants from the gardening section, or something in your house broke, and instead of hiring someone to fix it for you, you wanna do it yourself. And this should basically give you an idea why I chose our guy Bob the Builder to represent Bauhaus in their fan art, because Bob can fix anything, and if Bob can fix it, why wouldn't you be able to do the same? Or like, this is what the Bauhaus employees should be wearing as their uniform, because no matter what you ask from them, like something very specific about wood or paint or whatever, they will know the answer. Like, these employees are some of the smartest people I have ever met. So this fan art is like a little tribute for them. I hope they like it. And now it's dollar store time. A place you go in for something very specific and always leave with like 15 unnecessary items that are made of plastic and were definitely not $1 each. Like, it feels kind of like this store is like trying to scam people. You shouldn't be calling it a dollar store unless the items in there were actually $1 each, right? So what I did is that I gathered all this rage and other mixed feelings I had for this store into this fan art, because that is what great artists do to create their best works. Now, is this my best work? Well, that is up to you to decide, so please share in the comments what you think about it. I have recently been the victim of hamster algorithm. Like, all I keep seeing while scrolling are either these dumb looking hamsters or these cute big eye hamsters that give off the I'm just the girl energy, in my opinion. So I decided to just throw a hamster in this fan art, because I'm just the girl with $1 to spare. You know, money has been tight, rent has been due, so please subscribe and like this video to support a starving artist. And I feel like this fan art should spread my message across the dollar store employees. Like, please, lower your prices. But before we deliver this to them, let's make the rest of the fan arts. Okay, and the last brand in this video is Glitter. And this is the most stereotypical cheap jewelry store for women, where you can also get like hair clips, sunglasses, and funky little keychains. It's like you go here to get earrings you will end up wearing like twice, and then you forget they existed, or they start turning rusty or something. Like, do you guys know the feeling when you have been using cheap jewelry and it starts like changing color and then turns your skin like green? Yeah. That's basically what you're buying from Glitter. And in this fan art, I will be honoring the star of IKEA's fan art that was in the last fan art for company's video. Iconic IKEA employee rat. And if you guys still have not seen that video, then go check it out after this one, because the reactions of the employees were so gold.
What the hell?
But yeah, this rat is like the girlfriend of the IKEA rat who spent the IKEA salary on some glitter jewelry. And they also kind of give the vibe that they would be best friends with the Peppa Sephora kid I drew. Like, these fan arts are turning so iconic. They are getting lore now. Okay, glitter rat is looking gorgeous and she will make her way to the store now. But before we can head to the stores, we of course need to print these out like last time. And if you're wondering what this drawing is, well, I was supposed to make fan art for Levi's, but we never actually ended up going there. But still, here it is. This is what I would have given them. But what about this other fan art though? All of you guys who have stayed this far into the video will earn a little extra fan art treat for your patience. In the last fan art for companies video, so many of you were saying I should have drawn the IKEA Bauhaus shark or the Aftonsparv alien plushie. And your wishes have now been heard, and you will get exactly what you asked for. And these two are now in love. And yeah, it is a bit of a cursed ship, but I don't care. The weirder the better, I would say. But I'm so excited to make a comeback to the IKEA and give this to some poor employee who has to keep it. We'll see what happens. But now it was time to print out the fan arts, and this is where the struggle started. So our first print turned out quite shit. I don't know, the printer was just not having a good day or something. But fortunately, our second try was a bit better. Still not perfect, but it was usable. And the paper I'm using is quite expensive, not gonna lie, so I felt real bad wasting it, but what can I do? And the parts where a printer had fucked up a bit, I tried fixing afterwards with a marker to hide them. And they turned out alright. It's not like this is some high quality art anyway, so it doesn't have to look too perfect. And these failed ones flew straight to garbage. We will be missing you. Goodbye! Alright, all the fan arts are ready, so let's get going! And first, we went to dollar store. And just like last time, I was feeling super nervous when delivering these arts. But your supporting comments and experience from last time had encouraged me a lot, and I was feeling much more excited than nervous going into this. But oh boy, these employees were just not having it. Just watch, guys.
Hey. Hey. I'm making a YouTube video where I drew fan art for dollar store, and I'm giving them to the employees. So this is for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can keep it.
Oh.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay, that was a bit underwhelming, I would say. But I had actually made another print of the same dollar store fan art, so I thought I would just give the other one and get a better reaction. But I was wrong.
Hey. I'm making a YouTube video where I drew fan art for dollar store, and then I'm giving them to the employees. So that's for you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
It's not like I'm expecting these employees to be like over the moon or anything, but last time employees were so much more happy and excited over art.
What do you think about it?
That's so cute.
Yeah, it's Peppa Pig.
Oh my god. You designed it?
Maybe the dollar store people were just not feeling it today or something. I decided now that I would give these stores a rating based on their reactions to our art and their overall vibe. And for dollar store, I would give like 2 out of 5. The store was just full of useless crap, as expected, and the employees didn't really seem that nice. Alright, let's move on now. Next stop was to deliver our extra fan art for IKEA. And first of all, it was super hard this time to find an employee here. It was like the whole IKEA was just like abandoned or something. But when we did eventually find one, well, this happened.
I'm making a YouTube video where I drew fan art for IKEA, and I'm giving them to the employees. So this is for you.
What is it related to?
It's like a YouTube video where I drew fan art for IKEA, you know? These are like the plushies from IKEA.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not sure if...
You're allowed to take it?
Yeah, exactly. I'm not
Okay,
sure.
yeah, that's
so
alright.
I just need to check with my... Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's okay.
Thank you.
I understand if there's some kind of policy, but like, it's just a drawing though. Well, we didn't stay and wait. I wanted to find a new employee. And unfortunately, we didn't really pick a good one. They were like on a rush or something.
Hey, you work here?
Yeah.
I'm making a YouTube video where I drew fan art for IKEA, and I'm giving them to the employees.
Okay.
So that's for you. You can keep it.
That's so cute.
Thank you.
Well, at least they seem to like it, so this was a small success at least. I will give IKEA like 3 out of 5 this time. They were friendly at least and seemed to appreciate our art. Then we headed to Bauhaus, and this is where the struggles continued. It was also super hard to find an employee here that was available.
Hey, can you help me with something?
Just check with my colleagues here at the garden
Yeah.
information because I have a customer at the cashier.
All right, go do that. Yeah. Hey, can you quickly help me with something? It won't take long. It's okay. I can ask someone else.
Like, bro, I just wanna hand out our Bauhaus Bob to someone. But finally.
Hey, can you help me with something?
Maybe.
I'm making a YouTube video where I drew fan art for Bauhaus and I'm giving them to the employees. So that's what I drew for Bauhaus. It's Bob the Builder. Yeah,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Thank you.
Yep, these guys were confused as fuck. Well, I can't blame them that much, honestly. Bauhaus gets 2 out of 5 because, once again, customer service was kinda meh. We are almost finished and there are only 2 stores left, and one of them was Glitter. And this is when we actually got a decently good reaction.
Hi, do you work here?
Yeah.
I'm making a YouTube video where I drew fan art for Glitter and I'm giving them to the employees.
Okay.
So this is what I made for Glitter. She's wearing like jewelry and stuff.
Oh, well, that's cute.
Yeah, you can keep it.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
What a lovely lady. Glitter gets well deserved 4 out of 5 for this. And now it is the brand we have all been waiting for, Subway. And this was also my way of rewarding myself after this exposure therapy experience, so I also ordered my chicken teriyaki comfort sandwich. And by the way guys, this employee really did not disappoint.
By the way, can I give you something? I'm making a YouTube video.
All right.
And I drew fan art for Subway. And I'm giving them to the employees.
Thank you.
So you can have it.
Thank you. Unfortunately, we're not allowed to put it up outside here.
Yeah,
but I put
no,
it
that's
inside.
okay. You can just have it somewhere inside.
I put it on the wall where we have everything else. But
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, that employee was amazing. What a guy! And then I got to devour my delicious chicken teriyaki reward. I truly earned it. Subway gets 5 out of 5, of course. Employee was amazing and they had some interesting art on the walls also. Safe to say, I am definitely gonna come back here to get some more chicken teriyakis. Alright, that was our company fan art journey for today. Comment down below which companies I should be doing next and which one of these fan arts was your favorite. And thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye!